everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a very simple Jhunka recipe or besan curry. So let's begin. For this, you will need some chopped onions, green chilies, curry leaves, 2 tablespoons besan, chopped tomatoes, salt, sugar, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. So first I'm going to be adding some water to the basin and mix it very well so that there are no lumps. So heat a vessel and add in about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add in the mustard seeds and then the urad dal. Next, add in the curry leaves and the green chilies and let them fry a bit. Next, add in the chopped onions and let them fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, remove the lid and add in the chopped tomatoes. Add in the turmeric powder. Let the onions and tomatoes cook very well until they turn to be very soft. One tip is the taste of the besan curry totally depends upon how well you cook the tomato and onion together. Keep stirring in occasionally while cooking on medium-low flame. Once the tomatoes are soft, add in the besan mixture. Add in about 1 glass of water and let this cook on a low-medium flame. Add in the salt as well. Now let this cook until the raw taste of besan is completely gone. You can see that the consistency of the besan curry is getting thicker. Let it cook for another 1 or 2 minutes and we are done. It tastes very well with hot rice, fulka or roti. Thank you guys for watching. Do follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to watch more such videos. See you in my next. Bye bye.